stock as such fundamentally is pretty good. Their NIMs are above 3.5% and continues to do well. And the NPAs are also not, it is under control and everything. But I don't think a big upside in the stock, and in the current environment, he can hold on to the stock for a price level of around 455 levels for at least 6 to 8 months.
Hemen, what about you? Do you see any appreciation in the price of Karur Vysya Bank?
Ashu, afternoon. Firstly, we are in an intermediate correction, but the stock is showing a lot of relative strength in the sense, if it goes from 100 to 500 and does not retrace by not going and does retrace the move by not going below 380 over the last 6 months, I think that is a sign of strength. So I would have a hold on the stock. Even I'm not sure how much the upside is going to be, but as of now, a lot of relative strength coming in. So whenever the market rebounds, the stock should do well and maybe even outperform the market a bit. So it's a clear hold.
Okay, a clear hold is what Hemen is ascribing on Karur Vysya Bank. The next one is an SMS we have on SBI. Pavan Kumar writes us from Hyderabad, holds 255 shares of SBI purchased at 27.12, and he wants to know, can you hold on to this stock for the next 6 months or so? If you were to pull up SBI and on valuations, the stock is trading at price to book 1.6 times, so it's in the middle. It's not overly expensive, but it's down 3%. Madhumita, with you first, SBI, valuations, fundamentals, how do they all stack up for a 6 month to 1 year perspective? Where do you see the stock?
Fundamentals continue to be similar, except there could be some NPA provisioning in the next 6 to 8 months. But the major upside of the stock is, one, with the amendment bill, they can raise capital, and secondly, the merging of its subsidiary will give a big consolidation to the company, to the bank. And thirdly, going forward, if we are pretty sure about the economy growing at 8%, I think SBI is a stock everybody should hold. So I have an upside limit of around 3,200 for 1 year to 1.5 years, depending on how the market moves. But I think one can hold on to the stock.
Okay, that's an almost 600 rupee upside that Madhumita is factoring in on SBI over the next 1.5 year. Hemen, what about you? SBI, bit of a weakness has been witnessed in the stock ever since it made a high on November 5th or so. That was when the Nifty hit a new high, but after that it's been a steady decline. Do you see this continuing for some more time?
No, even I would have a slightly similar opinion, Ashok, because